everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got this Shark RV1001. It's in the Shark IQ range. This one I was given up by a buddy and it's not working quite right. So I was looking at it and I cleaned it a little bit and it looks like it just needs, some new stuff in it. So I picked up from Amazon this refill kit. It's supposed to have everything I need. It has the new flapper wheel and filters and everything, so I'll show you how to put everything in it. Let me get situated and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's start with something easy. I've got a new flapper wheel, and one of the big problems was when I was given this plastic piece on the end was missing on the one that's in there now, which is one of the main reasons why I bought this kit. So let's show you how to take this off. It's really easy. You just do these clips and lift. I'm not sure if I can do it one-handed. Let's give it a... Okay, not bad. And it just lifts. And you can see 3 screws here, and you don't need to unscrew those. Just lift those 2 tabs. And then this unit just lifts out. And you can see on this one, there's a couple of screws that look like they need to come out. I'm not 100% sure though. Let's see. Yeah, I think those need to come out. Alright, so let me take these 2 screws out that are right here and here, and I'll be right back. Okay, after closer inspection, I found out that you do not need to take these 2 screws out. These are for the original, and with the replacement you don't need to do that. So if you look at this side, it's like a square. So you're going to take the side that matches that, put that over there. And then it should fit in snugly like that. And you take this thing, you got 3, I don't know what they're called, these things. You're going to put those in the holes and then just pull it down and snap it in. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is take out the filler cup carefully. Alright, I'm going to put you down and take this out. Hang on a second. Alright, so this is the filler cup. This is what it looks like. This is the filter that goes in it. And mine did not come with one, so. And there should only be one way for it to fit in. So let's see if we can do this. And just snap it down, okay. And now we've got some other parts that we can put in here. On this one, you do that. And the kit I have came with a new screen, and I'm going to replace it just because I can. There's 2 little tiny screws that are right here. Now I might have to take this plate. There's only 2 screws holding this little plastic plate. Probably gonna have to take that off. And then I could take these 2. There's one there and one there. This is not a huge deal. There's no holes in it. So I probably could get away with not replacing it, but it's here, so I'm going to. So there is a direction to this, so make sure if you put this back on that this snaps down flat. And let me get the screw back in. Alright, then this piece is going to go back. Alright, so that's what it looks like, and then we're going to close this thing back up. And if I can do it one-handed, I'll slide that back in. Next thing I've got is some of these replacement things. So let me just spin this around and I'll show you how to put those on. Okay, so these screws are T8s, so it's the stars. And so let me get this out. Alright, so we got the screw out, so it should be just a lift. Yep. And it looks like there might be some positioning involved, because it looks like there's a short side and a long side. If you see, there's like some metal thingies in here you just need to line up. It's always trickier with one hand. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, so I took the metal insert piece out of the old one, and this is what it looks like. And we're going to chuck it in the new one. It should go like that. And we're going to carefully set it on there. Alright, and then put the screw in. Alright, and we're going to move to the other one. And we're going to do the same thing. Take this baby out. Take this metal clip thing out. Here's our other metal clip. And we're going to chuck that baby right in here. Up here. Screw in. So the kit I got did not come with extra screws. I suppose you could get them at like True Value or someplace in case you lose any. But it did come up with everything else, which is nice. The kit I bought was about $15, I think. But there's bigger kits that have more stuff. Well, I didn't see the point. So let me just tighten this screw up and I'll be right back. Okay, and this is what it looks like. If you really feel ambitious, these wheels get all caught up with hair or whatever. If you have pets, pet hair. And it's probably a good idea to clean them. I did clean them, but unfortunately I forgot to video it. Those are a little trickier, and you have to be careful when you, there's like maybe 5 screws. There's one here, here, here. There's a few of them. But when you go to pull this part up, because of the motor, there's a little wire. So the wire is pretty short, so you really got to be careful, and it's very, very small wire. What else should we do? It does recommend every once in a while this, you just kind of pull straight up. To me it looks like it's moving freely, so I'm not even going to mess with it. I did kind of scrape up these. This is where it charges. If you have a little fine sandpaper, it might be good if they're getting a little corroded. But I've tested it and it charges fine. It has a bunch of clear sensors all over it, but you got to really be careful how you clean these, because you can kind of haze the plastic if you use anything very strong. So maybe a little, what do they call that, dishwashing soap, really lightly in water, a little rag or whatever. The kit I bought came with one of these things. And it feels pretty soft, so I mean you could just get the main stuff out. Okay, so this is us with it together. If you get a chance, check on Amazon. They have some kits like this. Like I said, this one is like 15 bucks, but they have bigger kits with more stuff, more filters and all that stuff, but I really don't need 20 filters. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll end with a little bit of this guy running around doing his thing. Hope you have a great day.